What's up everybody, welcome to another video of property unboxing. Today we are in the neighborhood of Sector 75 Noida and about to tour newly constructed modern villa. This villa has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 8000 square feet of super area, carpet area of 4641 square feet, balcony and veranda area of 511 square feet and a lawn of 686 square feet. And this property is currently in the market for 7.5 crores. First, let's know more about the builder Dasnack. The builder has an experience of more than 30 years and has developed over 15 million square feet of property. They were the pioneers of e-homes with green building concept in India. Some of the reputed projects are Design Arc E-Homes, Aditya Megacity and ITC Welcome Group Apartments. Coming to the project, the Jewel of Noida is located in Sector 75, which is also known as Eco City. It has a high ratio of open and green space. The society is enveloped in around 15 acres of common open green area, giving it an inviolable presence in the heart of Noida. Jewel of Noida consists of 680 units spanned over 7 towers. Burj Noida will also be a part of this project. The Jewel of Noida also provides numerous essential amenities like outdoor tennis court, kids play area, jogging track, swimming pool, kids swimming pool, basketball court, cricket pitch. It even has a kids area at the terrace. Society has a theatre, a snooker area, squash area, a gym and a banquet hall. Now let's see the villa. The villa has 3 floors, ground floor, first floor and a basement. The villa is centrally air conditioned and has a private splash pool and a lawn. Let's first see the ground floor, which has a living area, master bedroom, dining room, a kitchen, a powder room and a servant room. The entrance foyer is around 9 by 11 feet. Let's start off with the living area, which has a size of around 19 by 19 feet. The living area has a double heighted ceiling and you will get tons of natural light in the living area. You can put up a nice chandelier in the living room. Tinted glass in the window is used so that you don't have to worry about the privacy. The living room has attached private splash pool with deck space and a private lawn. A splash pool in your backyard is one thing you should surely have in a luxury villa. And if you love having people over to your home, you'll love hosting poolside parties. You also have a lawn next to the pool. The lawn is of size around 27 by 16 feet. Now let's see the master bedroom, which has a dressing area and an attached toilet. The master bedroom has a size of around 20 by 13 feet. From the master bedroom, you can see the lawn and you will get plenty of natural light like the living room. The spacious bedroom is designed to have a king size bed, a sofa set, a coffee table and a TV unit. The dressing area of the master bedroom is of size 8 by 13 feet. Here you have floor to roof size premium quality wardrobes on both sides. One side wardrobe is mirrored one. These wardrobes provide good enough space to keep your clothes. The attached toilet is of size 11 by 8 feet. Here on the right side you have the vanity setup. The bathroom is nicely tiled with imported nice looking shining tiles. In this bathroom you also have a jacuzzi and for natural light you have a frosted glass. Next to the jacuzzi you have the walk-in shower. Now let's have a look at the dining room, which is next to the master room. The size of the dining room is around 14 by 23 feet. In this spacious dining room, you have a place to keep a piano and a 12-seater dining table. Let's see the kitchen now. A kitchen is often the hub of the home, so it's important to get it right. In this villa, you get a beautifully designed, high-quality modern kitchen. You have the built-ins like the microwave and the oven. The cabinetry is neatly designed where you get white upper cabinets and wooden textured bottom cabinets. The size of this part of the kitchen is around 10 by 18 feet. Because of the windows in the dining room and the kitchen, you get enough natural light. You have plenty of pantry storage space in this kitchen. Going to the wet kitchen, the size of this is around 8 by 11 feet. Here you see that the cabinetry continues and you get a sink. Next to it is the servant room and the servant kitchen. The size of the servant room is around 8 by 10 feet and you also get an almirah. You also have a separate entry for the servant room from the open passage which is next to the servant room. This is the laundry or the utility area, and you also have a servant toilet room at the corner of this utility area. Now let's go back inside the villa near the staircase area where we have the powder room. The powder room is of size 5 by 6 feet. In this luxury villa, you also get a private lift of size 5 by 5 feet. As this lift is not operational yet, let's take the staircase to the first floor. Imported marble flooring is used in the staircase. The first floor has a pantry area, a puja room, 4 bedrooms with attached bathroom and balcony. Let's first see the pantry area which is next to the lift. The pantry is of size 5 by 6 feet and has cabinets designed similar to the kitchen. Next to the pantry area is the divine place of the villa, the puja room. Let's go to the first bedroom now. All the rooms of this villa are spacious. This one has a size of 15 by 17 feet and has enough space for a king size bed with a L-shaped sofa. The attached toilet is of size 8 by 6 feet. Premium branded sanitary ware is used in each bathroom. Tiles are of the same design as of the ground floor bathrooms. The bedroom has an attached 5 feet wide balcony. All external doors and windows are made of lead-free, green-rated materials with tinted and toughened glasses, ensuring minimal passage of UV rays. Now let's see the second room of the first floor. This room has a size of 14 by 18 feet, has a dressing room, an attached bathroom and an attached balcony. The balcony is 5 feet wide and it faces the Noida Authority Park. The bathroom size is 6 by 11 feet and this bathroom has a premium brand bathtub. Let's see the third room of the first floor. This room has a size of 18 by 14 feet. Like other rooms, this one also has an attached bathroom and a balcony. It has floor to ceiling almirah covering one wall of the room. The bathroom size is 6 by 8 feet. The bathroom has a design similar to the first room of the first floor, which also had a walk-in shower. This balcony is around 7 feet wide and from this balcony you can enjoy the view of the Dasnack Central Park. We'll now see the last room of the villa, that is the fifth bedroom and the master bedroom of the first floor. This room is of size around 16 by 18 feet. As you enter this room, you see the dressing space. In this room, there is ample space for a king-size bed, a sofa and a TV cabinet. This room also has an attached balcony and an attached bathroom. The master toilet is of around 11 by 9 feet. It has a design similar to the master bedroom of the ground floor, where you had a jacuzzi and next to it you had the shower. The balcony with this room is pretty big, running along the bedroom. From this balcony also you can enjoy the view of the Dasnack Central Park. Now let's see the basement of this villa. We'll quickly take the stairs to the basement. The area underneath the stairs can be used as a storeroom. Although you get a valet parking in Dasnack, but if you plan to self-drive, then you can enter the villa from the basement as well. In the basement, apart from the storeroom, you also have a room of size 14 by 23 feet. You can use this room as a billiards room, a personal gym room or a small theatre room. So this is it for this villa. Hope you like the detailed video of this villa. If you like to visit this villa, please call Property Unboxing team. Number is provided in the description. You can also view other listed properties at propertyunboxing.com.